सो एथिक्स यही है कि हैप्पीनेस क्या है. तो हैप्पीनेस, व्हाट इज हैप्पीनेस अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? एंगर आ जाता है तो हाउ यू डील विद इट. सपोज एंगर आ जाता है तो उसकी बात सुनो, कुछ बोलो मत, ऊपर से कुछ ऐसी डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके बात कुछ हंसी में निकाल दो, कुछ ऐसी बात कर दो उसे गुस्से में ही हंसी आ जाए. तो ये सब आंसर है एथिक्स के. तो एथिक्स को हम 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, थ्योरी, एप्लीकेशन एंड केस स्टडी. तो एथिक्स में क्या है? मॉरल थिंकर्स हैं, एथिक्स इन ह्यूमन इंटरफेस एंड ह्यूमन वैल्यू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू रोल ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन, एटीट्यूड, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, एप्टीट्यूड एंड ह्यूमन एंड वैल्यूज इन सिविल सर्विसेज. एप्टीट्यूड एंड फाउंडेशनल वैल्यूज इन सिविल सर्विसेज. सो एप्लीकेशन पार्ट में आ जाएगा प्रॉपर्टी इन गवर्नेंस, एथिक्स इन पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, चिटन चार्टर, आरटीआई, ई गवर्नेंस एंड करप्शन. तो यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन और एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेट्रियोटिज्म, डेफिनेशन प्लस एग्जाम्पल प्रिपेयर करना है. डेफिनेशन प्लस एग्जाम्पल, सिर्फ डेफिनेशन एग्जाम्पल्स भी प्रिपेयर करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप एथिकल हो, लेकिन अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन है जहाँ पे भी आपको नुकसान हो रहा है बट तब भी आप एथिकल हो, तो इसे बोलते हैं इंटीग्रिटी. तो यू आर एथिकल अक्रॉस टाइम एंड स्पेस, इसे बोलते हैं इंटीग्रिटी. सो एथिक्स क्या है? प्रिसाइडेड नॉर्म्स है दैट टेल्स यू हाउ यू हैव टू एक्ट इन अ पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. अ पर्सन हु इज एथिकल इज ऑल्सो अ मैन ऑफ इंटीग्रिटी. इंटीग्रिटी का मीन्स यू मस्ट बी एथिकल अक्रॉस टाइम एंड स्पेस. तो एथिकल ऐसा नहीं एक बार हो गया, अक्रॉस टाइम, यू मस्ट बी एथिकल अक्रॉस टाइम एंड स्पेस. समथिंग कैन नॉट बी राइट, समथिंग कैन बी राइट बट कैन नॉट बी गुड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक सेंट था, कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता था, तो वो बैठा था चारपाई पे, तो उसके पास एक बिल्कुल वीक बंदा आके छुप गया क्योंकि उसे लोग मारने आ रहे थे, गुंडे. तो ही सेड दैट आई नेवर लाइड, उसने बता दिया कि यहाँ पे छुपा हुआ है, एंड दे किल्ड हिम. तो ये तो राइट था, ट्रुथ बोलना, ट्रुथ इज राइट, बट इट्स नॉट, इट्स बैड. समथिंग इज राइट बट कैन बी बैड, एंड समथिंग दैट इज रॉन्ग कैन बी गुड. रॉन्ग क्या होगा? झूठ बोलना, लेकिन यहाँ पे अच्छा होगा क्योंकि ये इसकी जान बचा लेगा. सो एथिक्स डिटरमाइन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सिचुएशन. कैसे? राजी मूवी का एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन राजी मूवी, इन द एंड दे हैड टू किल द पर्सन, वुमेन, they kill the spy. She was working for the interest of the country. So if we see from the person's point of view, that killing a person who is working for the nation is unethical. But if you see from the large society, we don't kill them, that the security of the whole country might be in danger. So it will be ethical from that perspective. So ethics depends on the situation and time. So depend on situation and time. So security of the larger nation will come under threat. So security of the larger nation will come under threat if we don't kill the spy. But not killed, security of the larger nation would have come under threat. So ethics is determined on the basis of situation. तो आप किसी डायलेमा में फंसे हो तो इट हेल्प्स टू रिजॉल्व द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन कॉम्पिटिटिंग वैल्यूज. कॉम्पिटिटिंग वैल्यू ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. तो एथिक्स क्यों स्टडी करते हैं? टू रिजॉल्व द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन कॉम्पिटिंग वैल्यूज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल में, सपोज दिस गाय, अभी जो मेरे पास है, द पर्सन हु इज सिटिंग स्टैंडिंग लाइक यू नो डाइंग इन द फ्रंट ऑफ मी, अबाउट टू डाई इन द फ्रंट ऑफ मी, इज अ रेपिस्ट. So according to my conviction, rapist should be die. But according to my medical ethics, that it is my duty to save the life of a person. So I, as a doctor, I am supposed to save the life of the patient. But I came to know that the patient committed a heinous crime. My one value says the rapist should not be survived. He should be killed. My medical professional ethics says that I am a doctor and I must save the life of a patient. But my responsibility is to protect patient. Help in resolving the conflict between competing values. To prevent social strife means to prevent any kind of social conflict. Everyone is acting according to same code of conduct. So nobody will question each other actions. So automatically there will be harmony in the society. So यहाँ पे prescribed norm है, everybody is acting according to prescribed norm. तो हमें ethical society करनी है where everyone is virtuous and following the prescribed norms and standards. So it is a Ram Rajya, that is virtuous society. The Ram Rajya means virtuous society. Everybody is acting according to ethical code of conduct. That is righteous society. Everybody is acting ethical code of conduct. Ethical code of conduct. To prevent social strife, it will lead to social harmony and will bring peace and will lead to natural integration. And ultimately करना क्या? It will ensure efficiency. हमें किससे मतलब है? It will ensure efficiency in administration. It will ensure efficiency in administration. सो प्राइवेट में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्राइवेट लाइफ में एथिकल नहीं है, बंदा IAS ऑफिसर है, लाइक ही कमिटेड एडल्ट्री, सो ही इज़ नॉट एथिकल, तो इट विल इम्पैक्ट हिज फैमिली, हिज वाइफ, हिज चिल्ड्रन. लेकिन पब्लिक लाइफ इज़ नॉट एथिकल, ठीक है, तो लार्जर इसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा. इट विल हैव रिपरकशंस इन दिस लार्जर. तो यहाँ पे रिपरकशन लिमिटेड है बट यहाँ पे रिपरकशन लार्जर है. तो इसलिए टू इंश्योर एफिशिएंसी इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एथिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में एफिशिएंसी, तो क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है प्राइवेट लाइफ एंड पब्लिक लाइफ में क्या होता है, तो प्राइवेट लाइफ के एग्जाम्पल, पब्लिक लाइफ के एग्जाम्पल पता होने चाहिए. तो एथिक्स का पढ़ना है, एथिक्स एंड ह्यूमन इंटरफेस, एसेंस Determinants and consequences in ethics in human action, dimension of ethics, ethics in private and public relationship. Then human values में role of family, society, educational institution in inculcating values. तो बोला what do you understand by values and ethics? In what way it is important to be ethical by being professional? हमने बोला value देखो aptitude without ethics and integrity is meaningless. Otherwise you will act as a liability, not asset. तो AQ खान एंड APJ अब्दुल कलाम का बात करते हैं. तो APJ अब्दुल कलाम ही want to make India as a nuclear efficient country. APJ Abdul Kalam wanted India to be efficient in nuclear technology. So APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to make India as a proficient, India's proficient in nuclear technology. इनका इंटेंट अलग था. तो देखो APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to make India proficient in nuclear technology. On the contrary, तो हम लिखना है on the contrary, AQ Khan has intention of waging a nuclear war. तो इसी साल मरा ये 10 अक्टूबर को. So AQ Khan is described as the most dangerous man in the world by Western spy. So describes the most dangerous man in the world by Western spy. So he steal and sell the nuclear secrets. So AQ Khan sold and stole nuclear design. क्या sold किया? nuclear design sold किया. किस तरीके से nuclear design बना सकते हो? To nations state that were able to and willing to buy them, but able to and willing to buy them. So कुछ जैसे compassion हो गया, love, tolerance हो गया, ठीक है. तो इससे क्या यूनिवर्सल वैल्यू है. तो some values, some people feel the values keep changing with the time and situation. Others strongly believe that there is a certain universal and eternal value. Give your perception in this regard in due with due justification. Happiness, ये values है same रहती है. What is emotional intelligence? How it can be developed in people? How it does help individual in taking ethical decision? So patriotism क्या है? In context of defense, patriotism demands readiness to even lay down one's life in protecting the nation. According to you, what does a patriotism everyday civil life? Explain the illustration, justify the answer. तो patriotism के एग्जाम ये definition याद करनी है. जैसे विवेकानंद rise awake and work till the goal is not achieved. So rise awake and don't stop until goal. Rise awake and don't stop until goal are achieved. So this is your form of patriotism. If you read the preamble and fundamental duties and if you imbibe these in your daily life, this is patriotism. So valuing the national constitution and flag. Patriotism, for example, जब national anthem मिलता है, we stand up and respect it. So it is patriotism. जैसे tolerance हो गया, scientific temper practice करना हो गया. So question है, current society is plagued with widespread trust deficit. What are the consequences of this situation for personal well-being and for societal well-being? What do you do at present level to make yourself trustworthy? You must be a man of integrity. That action speak louder than word. You should work by your action. You should show trust in your action. So you have to reflect in your action time and again. You have to reflect in your action time and again. To reflect in your action from time and again for the values you stand. For the values you stand. Irrespective of the circumstances, whether it is in your favor or not. Irrespective of the situation, whether it is in your favor or not. So irrespective of the personal and professional value. Irrespective of the personal value. So irrespective of the circumstances. Irrespective of your personal interest. Your argument does not change. It should not vary. That makes you trustworthy. So you must show tolerance toward dissent. You must show tolerance toward dissent. So whatever what we are preaching, we are not practicing. For example, teachers आते क्लास में क्वेश्चन है जो भी करना, फीडबैक देना, बट क्वेश्चन पूछ लो तो दे जस्ट डोंट बियर इट. दैट ट्रस्टवर्दी should reflect in your action across time and space. तो हम ये जरूर डाल सकते हैं across time and space. So trustworthiness should reflect in your action across time and space. So you are a person of walk the talk. So you have to stand for the people. You have to stand for the people. लोगों के साथ कुछ भी हो रहा मुझते नहीं है. You have to stand for the people. You have to stand against all odd. Against the negative circumstances. So thus you will establish trustworthiness in the society. So all happiness aspire for the happiness. Do you agree? What do you mean? What happiness means? Do you explain with your answer? But happiness हर बंदे के लिए अलग है. For example, चाय वाले की अगर चाय पी दी पूरे दिन में बहुत अच्छे से हो गए, that will be happy. A person की सैलरी आ गई, then he will be happy. एक पर्सन है, सपोज आज चैप्टर डिसाइड किया तो वो कंप्लीट कर लिया, दैट पर्सन विल बी हैप्पी. अगर एक मदर के बच्चे की लाइफ अच्छी है, अच्छे से वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया, अच्छे से वो खाना खा रहा है, अच्छे से हेल्थी है, तो मदर विल बी हैप्पी. सो एम्पावरमेंट द वल्नरेबल सेक्शन. व्हेन you see from someone from a very lower caste and achieving, and someone from a poor background achieving the desired result, feel happy. Suppose you fix the target, you completed that target, it will give you a sense of satisfaction and happiness. If you want to achieve something in society and if you have given full efforts irrespective of the result, you will be happy in a life. For example, I want to do social welfare in the society, and I'm teaching the people from the vulnerable section, and going, and it is impacting their life in positive way, then I'll be happy. So good governance could give you a sense of happiness, because your nation is in the hand of the good people. When you're implementing the happy of your ideal, like for example विवेकानंद हो गया, बुद्धा हो गया, ठीक है, APJ Abdul Kalam हो गए, then you will be happy. So to Gandhi, what is happiness? Happiness is what you think, what you do, and what you think, what you say, what you think and what you say and what you do are in harmony. So what factors affect the formation of a person attitude towards social problem? ठीक है, what affect the formation of person attitude? क्या क्या ऐसी चीज़ों से आपका attitude बनता है individual level, society level? In our society, contrasting attitude are prevalent. So what's a contrasting attitude about many social problem? What contrasting attitude do you notice about your caste system in a society? What do you explain in the existing contrasting attitude? We are witnessing an increasing instance of sexual violence against women in the country despite the legal provision against it. The number of such incidents is on rise. Suggest a innovative measure to tackle this menace. Human beings should always be treated as an end in themselves and not merely as means. Explain the meaning and satisfy this extent of giving the implication of modern technology. In the modern techno-economic society. So what do you mean by environmental ethics? What is important to study? Discuss the environmental issue with the viewpoint of the environment ethics. Differentiate in the following: law and ethics, ethical management of ethics, discrimination and preferential treatment, and personal ethics and professional ethics. The question is, social values are more important than economic values. Discuss the above statement with the example context of inclusive growth of a nation. Honesty, courage, compassion, integrity, empathy, ये सब क्या हैं? These are social values. Social values ज़्यादा, economic values क्या हो गई? Profit, materialism, efficiency हो गई, profit हो गया, materialism, efficiency, profit, ये सब क्या economic values हैं? Efficiency, effectiveness, profit orientation, optimum utilization. So another question is, two kind of attitudes exhibited by a public servant towards the work has been identified as a bureaucratic attitude and democratic attitude. Distinguish between these two terms and with the merits and demerits. It is impossible to balance between the two to create a better administration for faster development of our country. The bureaucratic attitude, top-down approach, following the rules. तो rat tapeism and following the chain of command. Chain of command ऊपर से नीचे जाएगा. Top-down chain of command. Top-down chain of command. Centralized authority. Democratic attitude में people participation. Fluid chain of command. Fluid chain of command. Democratic attitude means bottom-up approach. Negative impact of bureaucratic attitude. झारखंड में आधार कार्ड नहीं था तो उन्हें राशन नहीं दिया गया and they died due to hunger. So Aadhaar tragedies are on died. Jharkhand girl Santoshi Kumar died. So Santoshi Kumar. So Santoshi Kumar died in Jharkhand, 11-year-old, while asking her mother for rice. So this is a failure of India's PDS system. So according to National Food Security Act passed in 2030, government must provide 5 kilos of subsidized food grain in 75% of rural districts. 11-year Santoshi Kumar died in Jharkhand because she wasn't able to present Aadhaar. So the administration allegedly stopped giving her family subsidized food. Her family claims she died crying. Bhat means rice. Her family claims she died crying bhat rice. So suppose किसी पर आधार कार्ड नहीं था, you should go out of the way to help the person. You should go out of the way to help the person, or you can help that person in your personal capacity. You can help that as a human. You can help that person within personal capacity. So means is bureaucratic attitude क्या है? End is more important than means. Mean is more important than end. Means important है, जो पूरा chain of command है, जो भी rules हैं वो सब follow करने चाहिए. End कुछ भी हो, doesn't matter. Means is more important than ends. Explain how ethics contribute to social and human well-being, and how could social influence and persuasion contribute to the success of Swachh Bharat mission. Question है, anger is a harmful negative emotion. It is injurious to both personal and work life. Discuss how it leads to negative emotion and undesirable behavior. How can it be managed and controlled? So young people are with ethical conduct are not willing to come forward to join politics. Suggest steps to motivate them to come forward. How will you apply emotional intelligence in administrative practices? Crisis of ethical value modern times traced back to the perception of a good life. Discuss. The falsehood takes place in the place of the good when it results in unblemished common good. Tirukural. They say with regard to morality of action, one views is that paramount importance. Means is of paramount importance. Other views that end justify the mean. Which do you think with more appropriate justify answer? जैसे रॉबिन हुड था. जैसे रॉबिन हुड किसमें फाइंड करता था, फॉलो करता था एंड में. So Robin Hood was a hero in his time. while many believe he was a thief and a villain to the law, others feel that he was a hero to the poor. So some people might say that Robin Hood stole from the government and stealing is a crime no matter what he costs, and he was outlaw because of it. Truth is the truth. No matter if no one says lie is a lie, no matter if everyone says. ये गांधी जी बोलते हैं. तो ट्रूथ इज अ सोच इवन इफ नो वन सेज इट. ट्रूथ इज अ ट्रूथ ट्रूथ रहेगा चाहे कोई कहे भी ना. ये लाई इज अ लाई 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 ही रहेगी इवन इफ एवरीवन सेज इट. सो ये गांधी की अप्रोच है मीन्स इरिस्पेक्टिव एंड यू कैन नॉट compromise with your means. So गांधी जी कहते they cannot be wrong with for doing the right thing. कोई भी wrong भी नहीं होता. For example, violence as a means you cannot use to achieve the independence. So Hyderabad rape case, Disha case, Hyderabad rape case. She was a 27-year-old veterinary doctor. For example, Hyderabad rape case में bureaucratic attitude दिखाया. So यहाँ पे in bureaucratic attitude, chain of activity complete करना is more important. So completing chain of attitude is important than completing the task. So following the chain of activity is more important than completing the task. Following the chain of activities is more important than completing the task. And red to tapism is a consequence of it. That following the chain of activities rather than completing the task. And जो Hyderabad murder case है justice hurried. Justice buried. Maybe other influential person might be involved in the case.